What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we are looking at some gaming headphones, but not just any gaming headphones. So I had the bright idea to go onto Amazon and look for the cheapest, worst rated gaming headphones that I could find. So I went onto Amazon and typed in gaming headset under all departments. I sorted it by price low to high. I selected 1 star, which would be the lowest first, and then I selected prime, and this is what I came up with. Now these came in a bag and they're only $12, and we're gonna test it out. Now these are called the Awakingdemi gaming headphones. Now they say that it's good for PS4 and PC, but it's a 3.5mm jack, so it'll be good for anything with a 3.5 port. Now they're saying that it's completely hands-free. It has a beautiful design. It's lightweight, portable, and they're saying that it's comfortable to wear for hours on end. Wow, there they are. Okay. Wow, these are fancy. Okay, so you can see they are very, very basic. They're extremely lightweight. It's got the adjustable boom mic, which is pretty standard with gaming headphones. You got the microphone muff. It has a very flexible plastic headband. It's holding together. Okay, well that's a good thing. I'm not sure what the blue design on the outside is for. I'm guessing that's air vent of some sort. Now the ear cups, they are very cheap feeling. They're not very fluffy. Now this is obviously an on the ear design unless you've got really tiny ears. The cable's about 5 foot long. The inline controls look pretty simple. You've got a volume knob here. You've got the on off for the mic, so you can mute it and turn it on. Very cheaply made, and then the 3.5mm jack. Yeah, I can hear myself so clearly. They do not cancel out noise. They do not absorb noise or isolate noise at all. I feel like almost I'm not even wearing headphones, but I mean, they don't look bad. They're pretty basic design. Bam, you get your mic. Shake test? No, not happening. All right, well, let's plug it in. It sounds okay. Okay, so I'm gonna try something a little bit different this time. I wanna try to give you guys a better experience and be able to hear what I'm hearing when I'm testing out headphones. I got the Sennheiser Ambeo Smart Headset. I reviewed these a while back. You can check out this video right here if you wanna see the unboxing of these. These are amazing. Each one of the earbuds has a microphone built in, so it can record omnidirectional binaural sound. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these on over my ears, and I'm not gonna let them seal up my ear holes so I can hear it just fine. And then I'm gonna put these on over it, so you guys can hear it, sort of hear what I'm hearing. It's a little dull, doesn't get too loud. They're not very well equalized. They've got kind of a muffly bass overtone to everything. Let's see how these things can handle bass boosted. Meh. Well, there we go. Hopefully that came out all right for you guys. Let me know what you guys think of that. If it works out pretty well for you guys enjoy it, I'll use them more often. I'll try that method more often. But we need to test out the microphone. Okay, so right now you're listening to me on my normal microphone, which is the Rode Mic Pro, not something to compare to this. Totally different category of microphones. So now you should be hearing me on this microphone. Test, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is what I sound like if we were on Discord together or something like that. This is what it would sound like. Okay, so right now you're listening to me on my regular microphone, which is the Rode Mic Pro. Okay, so from my phone, it actually sounds okay. I'll put it in post. You guys will be able to hear it better than I can. All right, so there we go. You know, they're okay. I mean, for $12, my expectations are way down here. The audio is kind of muffly. It sounds really cheap. It is really cheap. The whole thing is, again, made out of plastic. It is lightweight and comfortable. It doesn't squeeze the head real hard or anything like that. Something that's this cheap, I don't expect it to be amazing, but I will say this, it does work. Yeah, it's pretty much what I would expect. You know, I give it a 5, basically. The expectations weren't high to begin with, so it did okay. It did all right. I would say if you're in a crunch and you absolutely need something, or you just need a really cheap gift, why not? $12. Anyway, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.